Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cardano family. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right into it. I'm pretty much trying my absolute best to give you guys all the updates. And what I mean by that is, all the people that support me, I'm trying my best to get as many updates as possible. This might be a little bit of a short update, but I'm sure you guys know the importance of today itself. We did see the U.S. election obviously taking place. It's still obviously continuing to go in terms of voting being counted, but you are seeing the likes of the king of the market, which is Bitcoin, hitting a new all-time high, which is absolutely insane, which has seen the broader market actually see an upside that we haven't seen for months. And this type of move we haven't seen for months. And what the craziest thing right now that a lot of people will ignore is that the dominance is sitting at 61% almost. And with the dominance sitting that high, and when you see altcoins and understand altcoins still seeing a double-digit gain, that just tells you how big of a move this really is. And if dominance was lower, I think we could have seen altcoins up much more than where they are right now. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening with ADA and, of course, what is yet to come. Cardano is up 8.1% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at 36 cents if we were to round it up. Also up 0.2% in Bitcoin compared with the market cap at about $12.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume has seen a little bit of an uptick. So has, pretty much the entire market. A lot of coins are seeing a substantial increase in the trading volume, but nothing crazy as to what we have seen in the past cycle for ADA. And that's something I've been quite clear upon, and I know a lot of people understand that. And that is something that I'm going to continue to, emphasize until, of course, you actually see the volume picking up, compared to the market valuation. But anyhow, before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the dominance index, sitting at 60.8%, not a big surprise to any one of us. But like I said, the importance of the dominance tells you everything you need to know. Last thing that you want to see is Bitcoin seeing a retracement. And if dominance goes up more, altcoins can actually start going lower. But right now, a lot of excitement. A lot of people are probably going to be like, Crypto ZX, how could you even think about, a potential bearish move happening for altcoins? But, that's something that we need to be always keeping in the back of our heads, because this market can move like this. And, the market has moved in a snap. If you can pretty much look at it from October 8th, in less than a month, Bitcoin went from the likes of a retest down below $60,000 to an all-time high. And that's how the fastest market moves. And I've been quite clear upon in my recent updates, if you do watch all my updates, this move is driven by the institutions. Look at BlackRock. If you watch my XRP updates, if you watch some of my other updates on a day-to-day basis, I've been quite clear in sharing this video, guys. You are seeing BlackRock, the likes of these massive institutions, picking up, Bitcoin at a record high level that we have never seen before, because they're seeing the bigger picture. They know there's only 21 million Bitcoin, and they're not here for the small horizon. They're not here for this bull cycle. This bull cycle is going to come to an end, right? Of course, at one point, they're here, and, they're seeing this asset class from a completely different lens, and they see the potential that this asset class has in the upcoming years ahead of itself. And that's why you're seeing the likes of BlackRock picking up Bitcoin day by day. And you're looking at ADA right now, of course, up almost 10%. And I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, when you look at the price of ADA, it's not seeing anything. Well, 8% move is an 8% move at the end of the day. If you don't like this, then at the end of the day, you might want to reevaluate over your portfolio strategy. If you have ADA, you're not happy with it, there's no one to blame, right? I hate when people come out and start, ADA's not moving, this or that. Well, then re-strategize your portfolio. That's up to you to decide, right? There's no one to blame except yourself. If ADA is the only coin that you have in your portfolio, and you have done your due diligence and research, and that's the decision that you have come across, and it's the only coin, that you are making a big wrong decision. The reason why I say that is because diversification is key, and I cannot stress this enough, because coins can go up even the likes of 30-40%, some of them, and you could actually maximize your potential of gains with these coins by diversifying. So, obviously diversify, due diligence, of course, very, very important, but nonetheless, you are seeing a move at the end of the day, right? But that is thanks to, Bitcoin. If this Bitcoin move did not happen, I don't expect, ADA along with the broader market to see this move. But like I said, what a lot of people will completely ignore, I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, why is the price of ADA not retesting 40 cents? Why are we not retesting the likes of July levels, which we haven't seen for some time? But because Dominance. I'm going to keep repeating this. Dominance, dominance. You need to understand the importance of the dominance. I know I sound like a broken record. Understand what the dominance means. 61% of the entire market valuation of crypto is solely in none other than Bitcoin itself. Let that sink in. So guess what that's going to do? That's going to obviously have a lag on altcoins, and that's what's the case right now with ADA specifically. So if the dominance was, let's kind of go back in September. September, you did see ADA hit 40 cents, right? Let's go back in September. Where was the dominance? Let's actually look at the specific date as well. So September 27, you were looking at the dominance. I'm going to bring it out to you guys. We were actually looking at the dominance sitting at 57.6%, a big difference, a massive, massive difference. And I think if the 57.6% dominance was still there at this point, I think we could have seen ADA actually pop bill above this 40 cents price point, in my opinion. And I think we would have seen much bigger moves for the broader altcoin market. If you're thinking this is a big move, I think we would have seen a bigger move than this. That's how important the dominance really is. But so far, so good. A move at the end of the day is a move. If we're able to break out of this, I think a September highs could be retested, to be quite frank with you. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.